Lipo Gummies are being marketed as a revolutionary weight loss supplement that melts fat effortlessly. But do they really work, or are they just another scam? Let's break it down. First, let's look at customer reviews. While some users claim to have seen minor results, many report no noticeable changes in their weight or health. Others highlight issues like stomach discomfort and poor ingredient quality. A deeper dive into the ingredients reveals that these gummies often contain minimal amounts of active compounds, making their effectiveness questionable. Next, research the company behind Lipo Gummies. Are they transparent about their manufacturing process, certifications, and potential side effects? Many users have flagged concerns about exaggerated marketing claims and a lack of scientific evidence supporting the product's efficacy. Additionally, compare these gummies to other weight loss supplements on the market. Competitors often offer more reliable formulations backed by clinical studies. Finally, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplement, especially those with bold claims. If this review helped you decide whether Lipo Gummies are worth your money, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.